All right, so let's take a look. Throw me with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning. We got a 2013 Chevy Volt. Changing the cabin air filter. You just pull the glove box down, and right behind it is the air filter hole. So we'll take a look at that cabin air filter. We've got a little bit of an odor issue in this vehicle. You can see it set up. They can't remember the last time they replaced it, but you see it's dirty. So if we take that, you want to go walk it next to the other one. We have Austin and Lauren are working on this puzzle. So spilled a latte. You get to smell it for a while, and then it's time to be done. So if we take a look at the other, we always put our initials and name on it. Yep, probably needed to be changed. So we'll just leave that one out until we get the odor out, and then we'll put it back in. So now that that's out, we'll just spray it with an enzyme, go through it even in that glove box hole. So we have that in a pump sprayer. Spray all the carpet so it starts to soak in, and then we'll go through the regular cleaning process. We're going to touch every surface inside of here to get rid of that milk smell, because it gets absorbed into everything. So already done, but yes. So that is it. Fairly simple to get it out. Look at the pieces. So there it is right there. So the box just flips right down. So there it is. It's pretty close. This they did a good job. It's fairly simple. You just had to pull the piece out of the end. So 2013 Chevy Volt cabin air filter replacement. Row me with RC Auto Detail and Carpet Cleaning, and have a great day.